So now we've got all the bits plugged into the board. The Zemo decoder there. I've got 4 battery packs, all individually plugged in. I've got a receiver. This is a Tam Valley receiver, DCC receiver, but anyone will do. One that obviously uses battery power to power up, and then it returns some sort of control voltage, either DCC control or can just be motor control. Board's got 3 sockets for speakers, 2 tweeters, treble speakers and 1 bass speaker. I've just put 1 bass speaker in for this experiment. I've got a motor connected to one of the motor outputs. These 2 terminals here, there's 1 terminal for each end of the loco for all the lights and motors and pickups at each end. So we'll go on the bottom of the loco somewhere. 1 selects the source for the decoder, either from the battery or receiver or from track, and the other switch is the power to the receiver. It's either set to charge or it's on. So let's turn stuff on. Set that one to on, set the decoder to battery. This one is got a Bistable option on it, so it won't power up until we put a magnet on the reed switch. So if you want to, rather than fiddle underneath all the time, you could just use a magnet to turn it on and off. Let's just try that. There we go. So we've got a power LED on now. Notice on the got power to the receiver, but I've not got, there's an LED here indicating signal strength, and that's off. That's because the transmitter's off. So I'm going to turn the transmitter on here, and then we've got red light for a healthy signal. So this is a default decoder on address 3. So let's just fire up the sound with function 1. Okay, sound on. Try a horn. And try moving the brake on function 2, and that's function 1 to turn sound off. There we go. So that's wireless battery powered DCC sound, and everything wired reasonably simply back to the one board, which replaces the Heljan one.